Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate C++ class and object-oriented programming features. Class is a data structure in C++ that contains data and behaviors. Data are the attributes and behaviors are the methods. Objects are the instantiation or variables of a class or type. Here is an example of a class. You provide it with class name and the access modifier, private and public. Here are some attributes, different data types, and here are some public methods. You can provide the implementation for these methods within the class, or you can provide it outside of the class. To instantiate a new object of a class student, I can declare it just like the variable name and the data type. To access the public members, for example, these methods in the class, I can use the dot. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.